guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking and Spices. Today I want to show you how to make mini crab burger. Again, another easy and delicious recipe. Let's go for the ingredient. You're gonna need some boiled potatoes cut into small cubes, some fresh chopped parsley, which I froze it, and this is some leftover carrots, steamed, finely chopped onion, some crab meat, an egg, salt and pepper. That's it. I'm gonna use a food processor and I'm gonna start adding my crab, finely chopped onion, the carrots, my potatoes, the frozen fresh chopped parsley, an egg, salt, to taste, add a little bit more, and pepper, and that's it. Now I'm just gonna close this up. Smells is good in here, and then start pulsing this. Alright, good enough. Check this. Okay, this is done. Now I'm gonna start shaping the burger. I just remove all the crab burger. I put them in a bowl, and I have a Indo grill pan here that is heating on low. I'm gonna move this to medium. I have a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour here. Just gonna add this to it, and then give this a mix, just so it doesn't stick. Switch to my hand, and I'm gonna start forming the burger. It's a little bit sticky, but that's fine. I want it to, so this is a mini burger, so make sure it's not that big. Alright, this size is okay. I'm gonna do everything first, and then in the meantime my pan is heating. Let's do one more. Just like that. I just brush my pan with a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna start cooking my burger. See how beautiful this looks like? Okay. See that? Alright. Alright. I'm just gonna wash my hand and come over and start flipping it. Alright, I just flipped one. Nice and golden brown. Okay. Now, if you don't have a pan like this with a line, no need to go have a trip to the store to buy one. You can use just a regular fry pan. It will still do the job. So let this cook. I want to brush this a little bit with oil on top. Not much, just a little bit. And then wait for the other side to cook, and then I'm gonna start grilling the bread and building it. Alright guys, all my burger has been done perfectly, and I had removed them on a plate, and here on the same pan, all I'm gonna do is I'm grilling the bread and brushing it a little bit with oil. You can skip this if you don't want to do that, but once in a blue moon, it's okay. So that oil gives the bread a nice crunchy and nice brown color quickly. So this one was here earlier. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna keep this, and then I have my last one. I want to put this side down first and then start brushing this with a little bit of, I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any cooking oil. Alright, so this one seems to be ready. Look, get this out. This is done. Flip this over. Shut this off, and then I'm gonna start building the burger. Alright, I'm gonna put everything on a side and have a plate here to build the burger, but first I'm gonna remove this. Now for the filling, whatever you wanna put inside your burger, that is totally up to you. So okay, let's start. What I'm gonna do first is I want to put my lettuce first. I don't want to put mayonnaise straight to the bun, but you can build your burger any way you want it, because I just don't want my burger to get those mushy feel when I'm eating it. Alright, you can put some pickles, some hot pepper, whatever you desire, and then the burger goes here. And then what I'm using is, this is Swiss cheese, Swiss white cheese. You can use cheddar, you can use mozzarella, you can use anything you want. And then the top one, and that's it. Here you have your mini crab burger. So easy. How quick was that? All of this get together in no time, absolutely no time. Go to your kitchen right now and have some vegetables ready, or even if you have some steamed vegetables from last night, like I had my carrots and then I had my crab meat on hand. So I say, okay, let's do a burger today. Hope you enjoyed this video with me today, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and then let me know in the comments below how you like it. I will see you next time with another great recipe. Thanks, and hope you enjoy this. Bye for now.